Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace an ignition switch in a Mitsubishi Lancer. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, carefully remove the two steering column covers to gain access to the ignition switch assembly. You will typically find 2 or 3 screws holding these covers in place. Once exposed, locate and unplug all electrical connectors attached to the old ignition switch. This ensures no power flows during the replacement process. Now, with the connectors unplugged, it's time to remove the old switch. Look for a small retaining tab or screw that secures the switch in its position. Depress this tab or remove the screw, then gently slide the old ignition switch straight out of its housing. Take a moment to carefully inspect the wiring harness and connectors for any signs of corrosion, fraying, or heat damage. This quick check can prevent future electrical issues. With the old switch removed, we can now install the new one. Carefully align the new ignition switch with the opening in the steering column housing. Push the switch firmly and evenly until you hear or feel it click securely into place. Ensure the retaining tab or screw is engaged. Next, reconnect all the electrical connectors you unplugged earlier. Make sure each connection is snug and fully seated to prevent intermittent issues. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to the vehicle. Before reassembling everything, insert your key and thoroughly test the new ignition switch. Check that all key positions, accessory on and start, function correctly. Once you confirm everything works, carefully reinstall the upper and lower steering column covers, securing them with their original screws. Double-check all fasteners for tightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.